Aku akan tip siapang cumi. Gak kemen pat. Bapak nom si kelayang ah.
Kikubor Kapatisi TV.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
ICFA University, Meghalaya.
Ka Sorkar Jylla lingbau Menteri Ketenat Animal Husbandry and Veterinary ubasan bor Sulai ula Pynbna baka Khyrdop Khrong Khajna jong Khadc kabalum Khajna ni kali kit jingri kadai ka Be-Aiñ. Bat ka Sorkar kla hukum bagi din pensange no. Ubasan bor uloong bak Sorkar kla iyo jing ujor baka Khadc ka ai work order si uba Francis L Nonglai uba na mulai nang kwar balum Khajna ni kali kit jingri. Ubasan bor loong baka jinglum Khajna ni kalikit jingri kadai ka Be-Aiñ.
One order, the work order issued by the Council to Shri Francis L Nonglai of Maulai Nongkwar for collection of toll tax on animals. So when we have received this, so this complaint, so we have I have endorsed to the official of the veterinary department to check the rules whether it is legal or illegal. So accordingly, on the 13th of June, 30th of June, recently, from the Undersecretary of the Government of Meghalaya, Shri Pynbna, they have written to the Undersecretary to the Government of Meghalaya, this Council Affairs Department. Then let me read the letter. Subject collection of toll on entry of vehicle carrying livestock. In inviting a reference to the subject cited above, I am directed to forward herewith a copy of the letter bearing serial number DC, this Council, RBF 12 with bracket 1 213 /2024 -2026 /25 of dated 1st June 2026, issued by the Castle's Autonomous Council Shillong to Shri Francis L Nonglai of Maulai Nongkwar Shillong, permitting the individual to collect toll on entry of vehicles carrying livestock at 19 Mile Bernihar Riboy district for the year 2026-2027. You are requested to kindly inform Castle's Autonomous Council, the Council, and other Autonomous Council of the state that collection of toll on entry is not allowed. This issued with the order of the competent authority. So it is illegal. So we have sent from the department, have sent a letter to disallow the Council to collect the toll, the tax on animals, entry of animals. Very good response. Once the bill has been endorsed by the Council Affairs Department, Government of Meghalaya, to him, then he will have to endorse the matter to this officer to study in line with the law department.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school, with friends, and a little bit of home. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.